Hello dear friends, I am Damandeep Kaur, Assistant Professor, Faculty of Education at the Bhopal School of Social Sciences. As we all know that technology has made a drastic change in the field of commerce. Nowadays, most of the business organizations are conducting everyday transactions through their official websites. And consumers also prefer to do online transactions. So, in this module, I will discuss in detail about e-commerce. E-commerce, electronic commerce, generally known as e-commerce, is trading in products or services using internet. It refers to commercial transactions conducted online. Now, discuss some important features of e-commerce. E-commerce is technology-enabled. Traditional commerce is taking place since times immemorial. But in e-commerce, the commercial transactions are conducted on electronic devices connected with internet. Second feature is online platform. In e-commerce, buyers and sellers meet in virtual space rather than physical place. Hence, e-commerce does not involve face-to-face interaction. Next feature is universality. The unique feature of e-commerce is that the websites can be accessed from anywhere around the globe at any time. Lastly, transfer of information. E-commerce serves as the best network of communication. E-commerce technologies ensure speedy transfer of information at very low cost. After knowing about the important features of e-commerce, let's know about the business models of e-commerce. There are mainly 4 types of business models according to the parties involved in the transactions. Business to business, B to B. Business to consumer, B to C. Consumer to business, C to B. And consumer to consumer, C to C. Let's know about all these models one by one. First one is business to business. Transactions taking place between business organizations are known as B2B transactions. It involves commercial negotiations, inviting tenders, distribution of goods from manufacturers to various distributors. For example, Xero is an online accounting software for small businesses. It provides the facility of sending online invoices with online payment options. It also helps to track inventory and manage stock. Another example is of Quill. Quill is an educational and office supplies provider for businesses. It is one of the greatest office suppliers in the B2B e-commerce domain. The next model is business to consumer, B to C. Transactions taking place between business organization and consumer are known as B to C. It enables the business to remain in touch with its consumers on round-the-clock basis. It involves selling and distribution, after-sale service, promotion and other marketing activity. Online retail typically works on a B2C model. Some examples of retailers with online stores are Walmart, Alibaba, and Amazon. Our third model is consumer to business, C to B. Transactions taking place between consumer and business are known as C2B transactions. In this, consumers make their products and services available online for companies to bid on and purchase. This is the opposite of the e-commerce model of B to C. For example, iStock Photo. It provides online platform to the artist to sell online royalty-free photographs, images, and design elements. The fourth model is consumer to consumer, C to C. Transactions taking place between consumers are known as C2C transactions. In this, seller is a consumer and buyer is also a consumer. It involves selling used books, clothes, etc. and selling of antique items. For example, eBay. It is an online auction site. After knowing about all the four models of e-commerce, now I'll tell you about the advantages of e-commerce. 24/7 availability. E-commerce sites are available 24/7. It allows visitors to browse and shop at any time. Easy product search. In a physical store, consumer takes more time in finding any product. In e-commerce, visitors can browse product category pages and use the site search feature to find the product immediately. Global reach. On e-commerce platform, a business can sell to any customer who can access the web. It is possible to extend a business customer base globally. Another advantage of e-commerce is it helps in the reduction in cost. E-commerce business can evade the cost connected with physical stores such as rent, inventory cost, salary of store manager, cashiers, although they may incur shipping and warehouse costs. Lastly, visitors' purchase history. E-commerce sites can track visitors' search and purchase history. They can use the information to present useful and personalized product recommendation. After knowing about the advantages of e-commerce, let's know some disadvantages of e-commerce. No real experience. While images on a web page provides information about a product, a consumer cannot experience a product directly. For example, in online shopping, when a consumer wants to buy speakers, he cannot play music on speakers. And at the time of buying any dress, the physical trial of a dress is not possible. Wait time. The delivery is not instant in e-commerce. There is a wait time for the product to be shipped to the customer's address. Whereas in offline shopping experience, a customer can get immediate delivery of products or option of carrying products after the payment. Some more disadvantages of e-commerce are security of internet is not very good. Viruses, hacker attacks can paralyze e-commerce. Privacy of e-transactions is not guaranteed. And lastly, imposters can mirror the e-commerce site to steal the customer money. So one has to be very cautious and alert while doing online transaction. I hope students, you have understood the various aspects of e-commerce. Thank you and stay tuned.